Spokane, second most populous city in the state of Washington, and yet seldom spoken of outside the region. But for those that live in the eastern side of the state, or the panhandle of Idaho, Spokane is a hub. A central grid surrounded by lowland mountains that was once known to be called the capital of the Inland Empire. Built up of a number of neighborhoods, each with its very own identity. Having just moved here in the last year, I quickly noticed that I was drawn to a certain part of the city. A street, an artery of Spokane that seemed to connect and breathe life into neighborhoods it ran through. It crosses the river with architectural ease, and everyone knew its name. When the Spokane Bridge was originally built, it was the largest concrete arch bridge in the country, and was the third longest in the world at the time. Posted up right in front of Lower Spokane Falls, the street I am talking about is Monroe. It starts in South Hill and ends in North Spokane. Monroe's reach is expansive. The most significant building on this street, I would say, is the Spokesman Review, or at least it's the nicest to look at. But if you're searching for me in downtown Monroe, you probably should just check out Whistlepunk Brewery. That being said, that's only the downtown section of Monroe. The larger side is actually in the north. It's a little less grand architecturally speaking, but it's definitely where I spend much more time. Antique shops and music stores make appearances. A few of your Spokane staples such as Zips and Aloha Island Grill are posted on a few corners. And the good vibes are just humming. Street art is painted up the sides of buildings. And if you're looking for a good caffeine kick, there are plenty of coffee shops and cafes to cover your needs.
How are you this morning?
Good.
Just 12 ounces good.
Like downtown Monroe, though, the north side also has all sorts of bars, restaurants, and breweries. The favorite of mine being Bellwether. Nestled into the heart of Monroe, right off Indiana and Northwest Boulevard, lies a gem. This is the owner. Bartender. This is the reason you came to Bellwether. To grab a few beers and hang out with this guy, Ty Johnson.
What did you just say?
I think it is, because I learned it from my buddy who's Ukrainian. He's acting like it's being assaulted.
That's the painting you put up there.
Yeah. Oh, you got a template for my taste of the mood to hang over the bars.
Yes. We're gonna put
that. You'll want to see this.
What am I thinking?